Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete search history on Safari. Firstly, to do so, go to your settings. Once you open up the settings, you may scroll down to Safari and then tap on Safari. Once you do so, then again you may scroll down and then you can see the Clear History and Website Data button highlighted in blue. Tap on that. Now, this shows you the range of time frame you may clear your Safari history till. You may choose from the last hour you use Safari to all your history. For the moment, I would like to choose to clear my Safari history for today. So, tap on today. And you also have to make sure that a tick mark is right beside today. Then you also have a choice if you want to close all your tabs that you previously opened. If you want to, then you may tap on the button next to close all tabs to turn it on. Once you've made sure that you want to delete your history, then you may tap on the Clear History button highlighted in red. Once you see that the Clear History and Website Data, which was previously highlighted in blue, has been turned into gray, this means that your history that you previously selected has been deleted successfully. You may go to Safari to check furthermore. You may also go to tabs on the bottom right corner of your screen and see if any of the tabs are left open. Here you can see that all my tabs are closed as I previously chose to close all my tabs while selecting Clear History and Website Data on the settings. This is how you may simply delete search history on Safari. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.